Good morning. Welcome to Sober Mornings on the Sobriety YouTube channel. Today is August 3rd. We're going to read from the Daily Reflection book. And the topic today is, I think, one of the most powerful legacies of AA and or tools in your recovery tool belt, which is service. To be of service. Our real purpose is to fit ourselves to be of maximum service to God and the people around us. And that's from the Big Book, page 77. It is clear that God's plan for me is expressed through love. God loved me enough to take me from alleys and jails so that I could be made a successful participant in His world. My response is to love all of His children through service and by example. I ask God to help me imitate His love for me through my love for others. And love is the purest form of service and the most highly regarded. But understand, too, that if we can't be perfect and love everyone the way God does, we can be helpful and we can be kind and we can, at an AA meeting, welcome a newcomer, or we can shake someone's hand or take them a cup of coffee. So those are all forms of service as well. I think the goal in learning the steps, besides transforming ourselves, is to be able to take someone else through the steps, and that's maximum service in AA. Remember, we do this one day at a time, and the best way to have a sober day is to start with a sober morning. So thanks for tuning in. See you tomorrow.